What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
It's telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me.
So, today's video is going to be a Sephora VIB Rouge haul. So, most of the products I bought during the VIB Rouge sale, but a couple of them I bought right before because I did not know there was a VIB Rouge sale. Usually they're twice a year, like in the spring and fall. So, this, I didn't find out about until like the very last minute. And another thing that I didn't like about it is they only let you use the 20% off once online. You can also use it once in store, but I ain't got time for that. So I figured those products deserve to be included just as much, if not more, than the ones I got for cheaper because I paid full price for them. So if you would like to see what I got for the Sephora VIB Rouge sale, then keep on watching. And if you do like these types of videos, please let me know by giving them a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel, because I do these types of videos because I have what we call a shopping addiction, in particular a makeup shopping addiction. So, you know. Alright, let's get into the haul. Okay, so the first product I did get right before the sale, and it is the MERCIER Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. So it is in translucent glow. So it's the MERCIER setting powder, but an illuminating version of it. And I have tried it out a few times and I love it. Like, the original translucent setting powder was a little drying for me because I'm already dry. And when I first used this, I didn't think I was gonna like it because I'm like, why did I even order this? Like, I didn't like the original formula. What makes me think I'm gonna like this one? And when I first started to apply it on my face, I'm like, this is kind of darker than my own skin tone. And so you can see, but let me do. But it did work, and oh my gosh, it gives your skin the most amazing glow. Now, when I first used it, I think this was another reason I didn't like it, was I used it to set my concealer. What I found works best is I will set it with a loose powder, like the RCMA first, just right under my eyes. And then I will go in with this and over the rest of my face. And it gives such a beautiful glow that's not glittery, and I would say it's more like gold tones. I went to put on highlighter and I was like, oh my god, did I already put highlighter on? Like, it gives that much of a glow, and it's so beautiful, but it's so subtle as well. So I've really been liking this powder. Okay. So we'll just keep on the theme of powders. So the next product I got is this Mini Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. So I have been wanting to try this for a very, very long time, but girl, I have so many powders. Like, and I have so many powders. So I'm like, let me get the mini size and try it out before I commit to spending, you know, the full amount. So it is in translucent light. And of course I have been wanting to try this because of Jaclyn Hill. So we are going to have to see how this works. I'm really excited about this, even though I already have a shit ton of powders. Alright, the next product is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup for all skin types. It says 24-hour staying power, looks fresh and flawless through heat, humidity, non-stop activity. Won't change color, smudge, or come off on clothes. Lightweight and so comfortable you won't believe it's long wear. Medium buildable coverage, won't clog pores. So I had gotten the DIOR Face and Body Foundation and I did not like it. I could not get it to work for me. And so I returned it and I'm like, I just want a really good foundation that like I can wear, especially for work, that I won't have to touch up often. And I have been hearing about this foundation for a long time and I just never got around to trying it. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to try it this time. So I got it in the color 1W0 Warm Porcelain. And this is 1 fluid ounce. And here's what it looks like. Alright. I really didn't get that much this time because number one, they don't even let me place one order. Number two, I didn't know about the sale, or I would have, you know. Okay, this next product I had no intention of buying. It is the NARS Narcissist. I think it's the Wanted 2 palette. So I just recently got the Wanted 1 palette and I have been in love with it. I have been using it like almost every single day. And one of my friends, who is the one that actually told me about the sale, was talking about needing good blushes, and I was like, try the Narcissist palette, like it's really good. So I was looking at it with her, and I remember when I was looking at them, I really wanted to get this one, but I'm like, there was a couple of the colors I'm like, I'll probably never use because they're too dark for my fair skin tone. And she's like, well, you know, you can always use them as eyeshadows. And I was like, you're right, I'm gonna get it. So this was, you know, an expensive item, so I'm glad I got the 20% off because it's $59. So I love this packaging. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a little hard to open. So the colors are PYT, Ambition, Teos, Exposed, Penthouse, and Queen. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And it says, are you a narcissist on it? Oh my god, like this orange and oh my god, it's all these colors. I was like, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. Ooh. Will that be too dark for me though? I hope not. Ooh, I really like that one. That one is definitely not too dark for me. This raspberry one though, but I can use it as an eyeshadow, and that would be a really pretty eyeshadow. Or if I'm doing like a very like dark vampy look, and the fall is coming up, so you know, if I put it on like very lightly, I think I can make it work. So completely unexpected purchase, but if you are looking for a really good quality high-end blush palette, I would definitely recommend one of the NARS Wanted palettes. And the last product I got, it's these velour lashes in, it's like right on the front, Flush and Dolled Up. So they were actually on sale for $18. They're the velour lashes are usually like 26 or 28, and they were on sale for $18. And I already do have a pair of these that I had to retire, so I was like, yes please. I love them. I love this collection, the Fluff, and I have like the Fluff and Cool, the Fluff and Wispy. These are the Fluff and Dolled Up. Like, they are one of my favorite like lash collections. So that is what I got for the VIB Rouge sale. You know, I can't really go crazy and spend well, I did spend hundreds, but I can't spend like hundreds and hundreds of dollars like some YouTubers can. But if this helps you at all, maybe helping you to decide what to buy for the VIB or Beauty Insider sale, you know, I like to save my high-end or my high-priced items for these types of sales because it really does save you a lot of money. Like, I saved almost $12 on this. So, alright guys, well, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace. Okay, so clearly I am wearing a different outfit and it is a different day, but the day after I filmed my VIB Rouge haul, I got another Sephora package and I was like, what? I was so confused. And I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, like, I thought I had ordered more, but it wasn't in my first shipment. I mean, it was only missing 2 products, but I was like, I swear I ordered some more. But so the first one I got is this GLAMGLOW Pout Mud. I am obsessed with these and they have been on sale. They were originally $18. They have been on sale for $9. So I have been stocking up because I am obsessed. Like, I got the coral one, and then I already have a pink one, but this is one of my favorite colors. This one is, I believe it's Hello Sexy. Gorgeous. And then the probably most expensive, besides the blush palette, I got this DIOR Backstage Pros AIRFLASH Radiance Mist. Primer and setting spray, long-lasting airbrushed radiance. So I saw this on Puffin's Wife and I was like, I have to try this. So hold 8 inches away. Alright, yeah, we know how to do it. They don't give you very much, do they? How much is this? 2.3 ounces. How much is my GLAMGLOW? So this is 3.7 ounces and this is 2.3. This was like 31 and this was 50. This better freaking make Drake become my boyfriend or something for that much money. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it's worth $50. I definitely do notice a glow. I'm gonna have to keep trying it out because if I'm gonna pay that much for a setting spray, it better like do my taxes or something. But I just wanted it. I just wanted it. And I was like, VIB Rouge, this is the perfect time to get it. So, alright, so those are all the products for my VIB Rouge, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.